Okay. I might have knocked the first string out of tune, but it doesn't matter. I don't have any things up. Back in the States now, in a college town, I would walk around, but it's really coming down. Mesmerized by double lines, two yellow tight ropes, I'm making good time. I am never anywhere I go. When I'm home, I'm never there. Does that F sound funky to you? Never there. Long enough to know. It starts with a C, actually. Being in love is the same thing as being alone. Giving the sorrow some company, nothing to say. Stay on the phone. I'm sorry, I don't know what else you want from me. I am never anywhere I go. When I'm home, I'm never there. Long enough to know. Okay, but that doesn't like not suck as much as it could. So that's pretty slick. That's pretty cash money. And that's with no chords, no lyrics. Oh, just big galaxy brain. Ugh! Okay. I'm gonna just like have a claw hammer moment, like a 1, 3, 4, 1. Shredding a nail. I realize I'm also like forgetting like all like the things I used to know, like that. No. Is that a D7? That's nothing. No, I think that is a D7. And then I think this is a D. And then this is a D minor. Yeah, okay. I actually do remember because I'm actually up there on it. Just copy it. Awesome. I have hair all over me. Why am I shedding all the time? God, it's ridiculous. I feel like I should be bald. Anyway. Allergies are kicking my ass. It's like they're all sitting on my chest. That at the end, okay, I'm just gonna play. I am never anywhere I go. When I'm home, I'm never there. Long enough. Yeah, because it should just end on like that gentle C.